Hello everyone, welcome to the world of creativity. I'm Zahra, and in today's YouTube video, we are diving into the fascinating realm of Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, these 6 key insights will undoubtedly enhance your Illustrator experience. Let's jump right into it. Beginning with our first point. When crafting a new masterpiece in Adobe Illustrator, you will notice a handy panel on the right. This is where you can give your project a name. For instance, I'll name mine New Day. Next, you will find boxes to specify your artboard's dimensions. Be sure to input the correct values. I'll set both width and height to 2000 for now. If you prefer to work with a specific unit of measurement, you can easily switch between options like inches, meters, feet, or others. In my case, I'm sticking with pixels for now. The orientation section allows you to choose whether you want a vertical or a horizontal rectangle as your artboard. For instance, I have entered 3000 for height, and I'll experiment with the orientation icons. Notice how the width and height values adjust accordingly. You can also determine how many artboards you need. I'm going with 2 for this example. Let's skip over the bleed option for now and proceed to color mode. By default, it's set to RGB, which is great for digital projects. However, if you're working on something destined for print, remember to switch to CMYK. Now, let's briefly touch on raster effects. Depending on your project, you may need to adjust these settings. For most digital work, a safe bet is to choose 300 pixels per inch. Once you are satisfied with your new workspace configuration, simply hit Create. Moving along to point number 2, under New File, you will discover a treasure trove of templates tailored to various needs, such as mobile, web, print, film, and art and illustration. I'll pick one from the art and illustration category to illustrate how each template offers unique attributes. Clicking Create brings us to our freshly customized workspace. Now, let's explore point number 3, how to define and save your own template for future use. Once you have set up your ideal workspace, go to File, then Save as Template. You can save this template anywhere on your computer. I'm choosing my desktop and naming it Adobe Illustrator Template 1. Create a new document called Temps, for example, and save your template there. Even after closing this workspace, you can easily reopen it by going to File, then New from Template. On to point number 4. Finding the perfect workspace for your needs is a breeze. Just click and switch workspace to access a variety of pre-designed workspaces. For beginners, Essentials is a solid choice. However, don't fret, you can personalize your workspace. Suppose I want to add some new windows to the Essentials layout. I will navigate to Windows, select Brushes, and voila! I'll create a workspace I need to save. To do this, simply click Switch Workspace, then New Workspace. Name your workspace. I'll call mine Illustrate Style 1. And click OK. Now you can switch between workspaces effortlessly. Point number 5 brings us to a hidden treasure trove of tools in the Modify bar. Click on the 3 dots icon to unveil additional modification tools. Experiment with these tools to enhance your creative process. For example, I will select the Arc tool and put it to use. Finally, point number 6, how to display your artboards as slides. Head over to the sidebar and click on Change Screen Mode, then select Presentation Mode. This transforms your artboards into individual slides. You can navigate through them easily using the right and left buttons. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through Adobe Illustrator. Until next time, goodbye for now.